Unit 11 post-test. Number 1. What is another word for limited? A, obvious, B, deliberate, C, abundance, or D, scarce. Number 2. The definition of deliberate is A, easy to damage, B, used up, C, strange and surprising, or D, planned and intended. Number 3. If something is temporary, it is A, difficult to see through, B, large in size, C, permanent, or D, happening for only a short time. Another word for weird is A, peculiar, B, common, C, accurate, or D, portable. Something constant is A, can be trusted, B, happens all the time, C, happens occasionally, or D, is important. If you are fierce, you are A, terrible, B, perfect, C, skilled, or D, gentle. A word meaning to put together is A, assemble, B, destroy, C, coordinate, or D, seize. Another word for meaningful is A, minor, B, ordinary, C, significant, or D, constant. Something essential is A, not enough, B, a choice, C, necessary, or D, shared between two people. A word meaning large in amount, A, severe, B, substantial, C, efficient, or D, slight. If someone is efficient, he or she is A, works well with others, B, does not waste time or money, C, is careless, or D, is angry or violent. Last one. Something enjoyable is A, intense, B, temporary, C, pleasant, or D, nasty.